Hello and happy holidays. I know it's the beginning of November, but I am so excited. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Evelyn. The channel is Planning Day Eve. I am a mom of 3, soon to be 4 littles, and on this channel I love to share with you what I'm learning, my silly and DIYs, and much more. So welcome. If you enjoy what you see here today, or you think you just don't want to miss what's coming up, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content. This is a hello or introduction into a holiday series that I'll be doing for you on the channel. So over the next coming weeks, you will find different videos that will upload on Fridays for the holiday season. They'll be mainly DIYs of how you can use your planner stash. Yes, I said your planner stash. Mainly stickers for your holiday decor. This is going to be great for those planner babes who love their stickers and are a little apprehensive to use them because you're afraid that they're just gonna go into your planner and just be history. You won't see them again. So I'm so excited about the series. I cannot wait for you to see them, and definitely comment down below on each video and let me know what you're thinking about trying, or how you're going to do it differently, or any other ideas that you might have. I would love to hear them. As always, you can keep up with me on Instagram. I'm usually there daily. Feel free to send me a direct message if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to see. But before I go, I want to make sure that I point out Happy Planner project goal sheets. Each project that's coming up in this series began on one of these sheets. So I think these sheets are great. We use them for my projects that are at home, as well as I use them for my projects that I do as a Happy Planner squad member, and any other kind of fun decor things that I like to do projects on. So wanted to make sure I told you about that. And okay, one more thing. I know I said before I go, but one more thing. I'm going to show you a couple of sneak peeks, or actually not a couple. I'm just going to show you one little sneak peek of what's coming up next week. And don't worry, before next week, I'm going to have a little video of my review and unboxing of my squad box of Planner Babe coming to you on Monday. So make sure you look out for that as well. I've missed you guys so much, my regular sugar plums. And for those of you who are new, welcome again. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this little snippet of a video from me. See you next time. Bye.